Another day, another story. Hi everyone, welcome back to Financial Success Secrets. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of saving for retirement. Saving for retirement is crucial if you want to live comfortably in your golden years. It's important to start saving as early as possible, even if you can only afford to put a small amount away each month. To start saving for retirement, consider opening a 401k or IRA account. These accounts offer tax benefits and can help your savings grow over time. If you're not sure where to start, consider talking to a financial advisor. They can help you create a retirement plan and make sure you're on track to reach your retirement goals. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start saving for retirement. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. The pros and cons of investing in real estate. Investing in real estate can be a great way to build wealth over time. It can provide a steady stream of passive income and can increase in value over time. However, there are also some cons to investing in real estate. It can require a large upfront investment, and there's always the risk of market fluctuations. If you're considering investing in real estate, make sure you do your research and understand the risks involved. Consider talking to a real estate agent or financial advisor to help you make an informed decision. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.